Are you waking up 2, 3, maybe even 4 times a night to use the bathroom? That constant interruption isn't just ruining your sleep, it's your prostate trying to tell you something. There's a conversation every man over 50 should be having about prostate health, but most never do.
And here's the thing, it's not about more pills or invasive procedures. It's about 3 simple daily habits that can completely transform your prostate health. These habits are backed by science and can be just as effective as many costly treatments, yet very few men know about them. Stay with us, because the 3rd habit might surprise you, and it could change the way you live the rest of your life.
To understand why these habits matter, picture your prostate, a small gland about the size of a walnut, sitting just below your bladder. It wraps around your urethra like a ring, and as you age, hormonal changes cause it to grow. That growth squeezes your urinary channel, just like stepping on a garden hose.
This is incredibly common. By age 50, more than half of men already feel the effects. By 70, that number climbs even higher. Difficulty starting to urinate, weak flow, the feeling your bladder never empties, and of course, those endless nightly bathroom trips.
But here's the truth, it's not something you have to accept as just aging. There are natural, science-backed ways to prevent and even reverse these problems. And that's exactly what we're about to show you, starting with the first daily habit.
Habit number 1. The first habit might sound simple, but there's a twist. It's called smart hydration. Now you might be thinking, really? Just drinking water? Yes, but the secret isn't how much you drink, it's when you drink it.
When you don't stay properly hydrated, your urine becomes concentrated with toxins that irritate your bladder and prostate, fueling inflammation and worsening symptoms. The strategy is simple. Drink most of your water in the morning and early afternoon. After 6 p.m., reduce your intake to small sips if you're thirsty. If you're watching this at home, grab a glass of water right now. Your prostate will thank you.
Doing this keeps your prostate hydrated during the day and gives your bladder a rest at night. Studies show men who follow this pattern report up to 40% fewer nighttime bathroom trips, deeper sleep, fewer interruptions, and one simple change can make that happen. Let's move on to habit number 2.
Habit number 2. This one is so simple you might doubt it, but don't. It's what we call the strategic walk, a short, light walk of just 10 to 15 minutes after your main meals.
Every time you eat, your blood sugar spikes. But when you walk right after eating, your muscles use that sugar as energy, keeping levels stable and reducing inflammation.
A major study found that 3 15-minute walks after meals were more effective for blood sugar control than one long 45-minute walk. And what does that have to do with your prostate? Everything.
Chronic inflammation is one of the key triggers for prostate enlargement. That short walk after lunch or dinner is actually helping protect your prostate. If you're watching this after eating, stand up, take a quick walk while you keep listening. It all counts. If you're finding this helpful, subscribe and turn on notifications. Every week, we share simple, science-based tips to protect your prostate naturally. And now we get to the most surprising one, a habit most men never talk about but science says is essential.
Habit number 3. This next topic deserves attention because it's often surrounded by silence. What we call natural prostate cleansing has strong scientific support. A Harvard study following over 30,000 men found that those who ejaculated more frequently, around 21 times per month or more, had up to a 33% lower risk of developing prostate cancer.
That frequency may sound high, but for many it's completely normal and healthy. Why does it work? Because regular ejaculation acts like a natural internal cleanse for your prostate.
It helps flush out old secretions, dead cells, and toxins that could otherwise build up and cause inflammation or damage. And the benefit comes from the frequency itself, whether through sexual activity or masturbation.
It's a normal, biological process that supports prostate health at any age. And talking about it openly is part of breaking the stigma around men's health. If you find this information valuable, hit that like button. It helps spread awareness about real men's health. Now before we wrap up, let's connect how all 3 of these habits work together. And one essential reminder.
Remember, nothing replaces your annual prostate check. If you're over 50, regular PSA tests and digital rectal exams are still essential. Early detection remains your best defense for long-term health and independence.
These habits aren't theory, they work. Men who follow them report better sleep, stronger flow, and higher energy. But if your symptoms are already severe, reducing inflammation directly becomes even more important.
There's a simple bedtime method that's helping many men relieve prostate swelling and nighttime urgency naturally, without costly medications or side effects.
Let's recap the 3 daily habits that protect your prostate: smart hydration, short post-meal walks, and natural prostate cleansing. They may sound simple, but together they can dramatically improve your quality of life.
Which of these 3 habits surprised you the most, or which one will you start today? Let us know in the comments. If this video brought you value, like it, share it with a friend, and make sure you're subscribed for weekly men's health tips.
And don't go yet. Click the video on screen to discover the foods that naturally shrink an enlarged prostate. Take care of yourself, because your health is your greatest investment.